Welcome to Season 2. This is an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm still new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I've got some ironwood. Look at this wood. This is a 6x6x2, so it's not very deep. It's gonna make a shallow bowl or maybe a small platter, I'm not sure. But this orangish wood, look at that. Isn't that amazing looking? It's like orange tan, but this black wood on top. Wow. This is gonna be the top. We're gonna make this kind of like a dark rim. I think it's gonna look really amazing. For the size of the wood, it's super heavy. Don't know much about ironwood, but we'll find out together. Let's get started. Look at that. Look at the whisper cuts that made. Wow. How smooth that is. I think we'll concave this in like I always do. Look how super fine. Oh, that is so fine. This wood is, it hasn't even been polished yet, and look at the shine it has. Holy cow. Wow, that is beautiful. Well, I'd say I never had that happen before. Only one screw came out. The rest of them broke off right at the head. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take these out. Basically right between here and here is where the danger zone is. That's the danger zone. An indication that there's something there. Yep, there it is. Okay, I was like, there's something there. I could feel it. It's going tra tra tra. Hey, quick announcement. Last week we did the drawing for the Axe Abrasive Paste, and Joe Garofalo won. He has an Instagram account. You should check out his work. Really nice stuff he's got there. Next month we're doing another drawing. We're actually doing a drawing every month to the end of the year, so stay tuned if you're interested in winning. Again, congratulations, Joe. Now on to the show. Look at the shine this thing has got. Holy moly. It looks wet, but it's dry. I mean, geez, look at that. That's incredible. What a shine. Ah, I love this black rim. Wish it went all the way around, but you know what? It doesn't matter. That is still just stunning. It's beautiful. All right, we're going to take a close look at this and discuss one of the major problems with it. All right, so let's take a look at the bottom. We got a nice clean bottom here, concaved in with it riding just on this edge, mortise with my logo in the center, and then it transitions up into this beautiful side of the bowl. Has this nice shape, but really the wood is what makes this so attractive, and the shine that just accents that wood. This dark rim is just gorgeous all the way around till it hits here, kind of tapers off, and leads yourself into the center of the bowl. You can kind of see how it goes around the bowl. It's just beautiful, beautiful wood. Absolutely gorgeous shine to it. But the problem you might have picked up on is there's a little bit of a crack right here. And it runs right through here. And if you listen to the side of the bowl, and maybe the bottom half, and then the bottom itself, yeah, we got really, really shallow there, and you can almost see my name starting to burn through the other side. So this is really, really thin as opposed to the sides here. Almost broke through, not quite. There's still some room there, but the overall crack right there, I think we have a bit of an issue here. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I think you can kind of see how that crack kind of concaves in there from the heat of polishing it from the inside. So I'm thinking maybe just putting a puddle of shellac in here, or resin maybe. If you've got a suggestion, leave it in the comments below. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. Might leave it for a couple of days before I make that decision. But overall, wow, that shine in the bowl is gorgeous. I really like this bowl. I hope you liked this video. If you did, consider hitting that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and that notification bell. Thank you very much for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. That is so cool. It's like pumpkin string. Check them out. So again, congratulations, Joe, and for those who didn't win, don't worry. We're doing another drawing next month, and I'm missing my watch. How it kind of comes up and around. It didn't go all the way around the bowl, but actually, you look at it like that, it looks like a friar's head, friar monk, little concave monk's head. You can put some eyes on this side. Okay, let's start that over again. All right, so let's take a look at the bottom. We got a nice clean bottom here, concaved in with it riding just